Do you know that you can rename the Final Cut Pro library very easily within few seconds? If not, then keep watching. So this is my Final Cut project, and here I see left side is the browser and top is the library name. So when you create or start a project, you will see this type of name, untitled, or you created your project. Sometimes later you feel that you need to rename. The renaming process is very simple. You just need to click here only one time. Just click here once and then hit return key and then start typing the name which you like. For example, my library name I prefer a few steps. And once you are happy, then you have to hit return key. I am fine with this name, and then I'm going to press the return key. Once I press the return key, I will see that library name has been changed. And that's it. It's so easy. In this way, we can easily rename Final Cut Pro library name.